Hey foodies! Welcome back to our channel, guys. So, are you tired of eating the same thing for breakfast? Are you bored of your regular breakfast? Then this recipe is a must try for you. It's amazing and delicious, guys. It's akki roti and kai chutney. To all of you who are new here, you're watching Get Set and Cook with Pratima and Chandana. So we want to share this amazing recipe with you guys. I'm sure everyone makes this at home, but this is our version of it. Hope you really like this recipe, guys. So to make this, let's see what ingredients we'll need. To make akki roti, I've taken about half a kg rice flour, onion, carrot, grated coconut, green chili paste, some butter, white sesame seeds. These are raw, not roasted. Some dill or sabbaske soppu as we call it in Kannada, coriander, salt. To make chutney we'll need coconut, green chilies, ginger and garlic, fried gram dal and some salt. So first let's make the chutney, guys. I've taken about 1 bowl of coconut that I've finely grated here. You can make groundnut chutney for this as well. If you want us to show you how to make groundnut chutney, please leave it in the comment section below. To this I'm adding about half a cup of fried gram dal and about 5 to 6 green chilies. If you don't like green chilies, you can add red chili powder instead. I'm also adding in half inch of ginger and about 3 to 4 pods of garlic. And salt added according to your taste, guys. Add in a little water to this, about 50 ml, and grind this. It should look something like this. To this I'm adding in some tadka. If you don't want this, you can skip it. Now let's make our akki roti batter, guys. Taken about 2 large onions and chopped them up. Added that in, and 2 carrots that I've grated, I'm adding that also. About 4 to 5 tablespoons of coconut that I've grated. This is raw coconut, guys, not dry coconut. I'm also adding in about 1 cup of dill or sabbaske soppu as we call it in Kannada. And also about 1 cup of coriander, nicely chopped. Add some green chili paste to this. I'm adding about 1/4 cup. You can add this according to your spice requirements. And about 2 teaspoons of salt I'm adding in also. Add salt and spices according to your requirements, guys. Give this all a good mix so that they can evenly distribute. Generally, a lot of people make akki rotis. There are a variety of versions of this. This is how we make at our home. There's so much green and goodness going on here. So we hope you'll try this out and let us know how it turned out. After giving that a mix, I added about half a kg of rice flour and give it a mix. Add water gradually and give this a mix until it forms a akki roti batter consistency, guys. If you like what we're showing for you, please like our video right now. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, guys. It would mean a lot to us. Share our videos with your loved ones. Please try it out for yourself before you can share them. I'm sure you'll like what we are putting out here. And please subscribe to our channel, guys. It would mean a lot to us. This is red button right there. Yes, please click that. See, guys, now the batter is ready. Let's make some rotis then. I'm lighting up the stove and keeping in a pan. To this, I'm first going to add in a little bit of oil and spreading it. I'm sure you must have seen this at your homes too. Their hands won't burn, guys. Their hands won't burn. So to make the roti, I'm taking in a small handkerchief here. A lot of people do this on plastic sheets, but at my home we do it on a handkerchief. After drenching that in the water, I'm taking a ball of the akki roti batter that we made here, and I'm going to make a roti out of that. Just see how to make it, guys. Without putting in a lot of pressure from your fingers, just keep patting it down. You don't have to be scared. You will also get a perfectly round roti. Just hold on, we'll show you, even if your roti breaks or comes out not so good, how to fix it. Yeah, this one's for you guys if you're scared to do this. Does your roti look something like this? Don't worry, we have a quick fix. Just fold in and press it, and you'll get a round roti too. Once it looks something like this, let's fry it, guys. You don't have to worry about the roti falling off the hanky, that won't happen. Just try this method once, I'm sure you'll find it easy. To this I'm also adding in raw sesame seeds. If you don't like sesame seeds, you can skip this step. You can also add in roasted groundnuts to this if you like. I'm adding in some butter here. I like to cook akki rotis with butter or ghee instead of oil. It will taste better that way. But if you don't like butter or ghee, you can add in oil instead. Cook it evenly on both the sides. And I'm sure you're going to love this, guys. Add in as much butter as you would want and cook it until it is nice and brown like this. Look at it, guys. Now our akki roti is ready. I'm going to serve this with the chutney that we had made earlier, the coconut chutney. If you want, you can have this with groundnut chutney as well. If you want us to show you how to make groundnut chutney, leave it in the comment section below. We'll get back to you guys. We really hope you would try this out, guys. It's very yummy. And if there's dil or sabas ke soppo in the market, don't miss out. Get one and make it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back with more videos.